Fish en papillote is an easy method of cooking fish where it's wrapped in parchment paper and baked. The fish steams perfectly inside the parchment paper packet. I'm going to show you 2 ways to wrap it. Here's a great tip. If you brush butter or oil around the edge of the parchment, it can help make a great seal to keep the steam trapped in, but it's not 100% necessary. For this first wrapping method, you're going to fold the parchment in half, assemble your fish and other ingredients on the lower half, and then fold the top over. Work your way around the exterior of the parchment paper packet to create a seal, and then place on a baking sheet. With the second method, you're going to assemble everything right in the center of your rectangle of parchment paper, and then you're going to bring the top and the bottom together and fold it down to meet in the center and tuck the ends underneath, and then bake on a baking sheet. Once it's done cooking, you can use scissors to unwrap the first parchment paper packet open, or you can roll it down to unwrap the second method. You serve everything on a plate and toss the parchment paper in the trash for a super easy cleanup. Get this recipe for cod and papillote and more at bowlofdelicious.com.